Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hey, I'm out here. It's a little cold today, but I'm out here anyway. I got my heated vest on and Carhartt, but happy Thanksgiving. Thought I'd come out and mess around with this little generator a little bit. We've been having carburetor issues, but let me show you what we mean. Alright, I'm not going to start it up right now, but that Chinese carburetor's been giving issues. So I took it all back apart. I pulled that inverter out to keep it safe so I could get the air box out of there, and the original Mikuni carburetor. Okay, now I told you I could fix that, right? And I did. That thread right there was boogered bad. The main jet on the side was just as boogered. The mechanic that worked on this before sent a tap down there without taking that jet out, and he mangled the end of the jet. Well, I fixed the end of the jet real well, and I looked it up online, and it turned out to be a 68 size jet, so I got that done. It's a 68 jet again. And then had another carburetor for another generator, and I measured this outside dimension on this, and I had enough meat to because it turned out it was 6 mil originally, 6 millimeter. Well, instead of making an oddball 7 millimeter, and you can get a 7 millimeter bolt, but I just made it an 8x1, and that works beautifully. And there's still, you know, it didn't hurt it. There's the wall on that is plenty good. So that original Mikuni is going to go back on it because it has an adjustment. I'm going to pull this cap off, and you can adjust. But this carburetor here, when the engine's running, it just sits there and kind of shakes a little bit, like the mixture's not right or something about it. So it's going to go bye-bye, and we're going to put the original Mikuni back on that I fixed. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust the valves too. Probably put a plug in it. This thing has 0 hours on it. You can see how clean it is. But she's been working good, except for that issue. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright, you guys take care of yourselves. Have a good Thanksgiving. And we got that there carburetor going. Hopefully it runs good. I think it will. Can't go wrong with a good Mikuni. Mikuni made some good stuff. And that's a good Yamaha engine. That's a Yamaha MZ80. So it's a good little generator. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and put that back on. See what we can do there. Looks like it's going to be pretty easy to get it off. It's basically a 10 millimeter wrench. You betcha. Looks pretty simple. We're going to try it anyway. Alright, love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Happy Thanksgiving. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.